In the world of export, dealing with Chinese companies can seem like a daunting task. Scams and frauds are the nightmares of every exporter. But fear not, I'm here to guide you through the labyrinth. The first step is to verify the authenticity of the potential buyer. Chinese companies are notorious for fraudulent activities, so tread carefully. Now you might think, but I've been doing business with China for years. Well, that doesn't make you immune to scams. Even experienced exporters can fall victim to sophisticated schemes. The key is to remain vigilant and do your homework. How can you avoid being trapped? It's all about understanding the tricks of the trade and not letting first impressions cloud your judgment. Even if the company seems like a major player, never skip the safety procedures. Remember, scammers are persistent. They'll try to convince you to ship your goods first, promising immediate payment. Don't fall for it. They're just trying to get something for nothing. So, stay alert, follow safe practices, and don't let the fear of